What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your SB12 V2. The bag itself comes with many compartments to hold your speaker and accessories, so let's take a closer look. Now inside the main compartment there's actually two layers of protective padding that velcro to the top and the bottom of the bag. So the layer on top can be easily removed by lifting up on the velcro here. And the layer on the bottom of the bag can be removed the same way, and it reveals this layer of plastic on the bottom which acts as a base for the bag. So depending on the size of your speaker, you can either take these layers off to make some extra room or add them so that your speaker fits nice and snug. If you still find there's wiggle room inside of the bag, there's also this square foam piece here that we can add to any space that needs filling to keep the speaker nice and snug. So you can either fold it in half to fit to the sides of the speaker, or you can fit it on the top or the bottom of the speaker, basically wherever you need it to fit so that your speaker fits nice and snug. Also inside the bag we have these buckle straps here, so once our speaker is inside of the bag, we can buckle up these straps to the speaker so that it's nice and secure inside. So here I have a 12-inch speaker that we can fit right inside of the bag. So I'm just gonna take this speaker and fit it in just like this. And for this speaker, I'm gonna take the extra pad and place it on the top front of the speaker. So now that I've got the speaker fitted inside, I can take the buckle straps here and buckle them up to the speaker. And we can tighten up or loosen these straps however we see fit so that the speaker is nice and secure. So now I can just close up the bag and use the YKK zippers to keep it shut. And what's cool about these zippers are the holes in the middle so we can run a padlock through for extra security. We also have a pocket in the front of the bag to hold items like our speaker cables, microphones, and much more. On the other side of the bag, we have a dedicated spot for our speaker stand, so we could bring it with us along with our speaker. So this side has the pouch in the middle for our stand. You even got two buckle straps to keep each side of the stand secure. And we also have this pouch here for the head of the stand or the feet of the stand, whichever fits in there best. So when we're ready to pack up our stand, we can pull up on this pouch here, which is held down by some Velcro. And now this way we have plenty of room to place the stand inside. Then we can take our stand and run it through. And for today, I'm actually just gonna place the head of the stand first, feed it through like this. And then we can place the head of the stand right inside of the pouch. Lastly, we're gonna buckle in these straps here to keep the top and the bottom of our stand secure. And you can loosen these straps or tighten them up to fully secure the stand. Now that we have everything packed up, we actually have a few different ways to transport the bag, including these straps here, which Velcro together for a tighter grip. We also have this handle here on the side of the bag to carry it that way. And the bag even has wheels and a trolley handle so we can wheel the bag around. And we have these rubber feet on the bottom of the bag, which will keep it nice and sturdy for when we place it down. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your SB12 V2. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.